Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. This is a full chair yoga session created with seniors in mind. It's gentle, safe, and you'll start feeling the benefits from day one. Perfect for beginners over 60 or anyone with limited mobility. Let's move together at your own pace. You're in the right place. Sit comfortably. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Your breath is your first medicine. It soothes your nervous system and brings fresh oxygen to your brain. Gently roll your shoulders back and then forward. This helps release tension in the body. Let's do that again. Gently roll your shoulders back and then forward. Inhale. Reach your right arm up to the sky. Exhale. Gently lean over to the left. Keep your seat grounded and steady. This stretch opens the chest and helps improve your breathing. Let's switch sides now. Inhale. Reach your right arm up to the sky. Exhale. Gently lean over to the right. Place your hand on your opposite thigh. Inhale. Gently twist through your torso. Keep your spine tall and upright. Exhale. This gentle twist supports digestion and keeps the spine flexible. Let's switch sides now. Place your hand on your opposite thigh. Inhale. Gently twist through your torso. Keep your spine tall and upright. Exhale. Gently hold your knee and draw it in toward your chest. Release. This movement helps improve hip mobility and boosts circulation in the legs. And switch to the other leg. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Reach your arms up to the sky. Inhale. Open your arms wide to the sides. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Extend one leg forward, heel on the floor, toes pointing back toward you. Gently lean your upper body forward. Now switch sides. This helps stretch and soften the muscles along the back of your legs. Thank you for joining this session. You can repeat it daily to maintain your mobility, gentle strength, and most importantly, your sense of well-being. Take your time, listen to your body, keep blooming, and I'll see you soon.